Untitled Rusa inside this, but in the bridge. With my brother and my dad. My dad is cameraing.
Aku pegangin.
Wow.
Itu terbuat dari apa?
Coba sini lihat, sini lihat. Masuk.
Lagi jangan kamera.
Oh, tanduknya terbuat.
Jangan dipegang tanduknya, tajam itu.
Terbuat dari apa?
Terbuat dari kayak tulang, kayak bones. Tuh, itu.
Kayaknya dia mau.
Safe. Oh, Saron lihat tuh Saron. Dia minta makan. Lihat kelinci yuk, Bani. What is this, Saron? This is Bunny's place.
Yes. The bunny place, but I never see bunny.
Ah, there's Bunny. This is Bunny.
Oh, the bunny was small. I didn't know there's bunny.
There's another bunny there. Right? Aduh, sorry.
Rabbit, bunny.
Yeah.
Why they're in a cage?
Hmm?
Kok dia di sini mereka? Apa? Mereka kasih, kalau kita enggak.
Ya, nggak tahu deh. Boleh?
Wah, jembatannya tiba takut.
Kenapa?
Takut jatuh. Ini terbuat dari apa? Kalau nggak tahu.
Dari kayu kuat kok ini, Bang.
Jump
Where you
boleh
going?
nggak?
Udah selesai?
No, I just want to know there is food or no. Because my brother is scared of this. Yeah. Come here.
Look at the bunny.
Are they cute?
Awas ditusuk ya, Bang. Kepalanya Timo bisa kena gitu. What?
Guys, my brother is scared of that thing.
Of the bridge.
Yes. He's scared that we're gonna fall down. What are
Jangan
you
dilempar,
doing?
Bang. Bang, jangan. Suaranya gimana tuh?
Because you just run.
Hey, listen. Bang, jangan loncat-loncat, Bang.
Nanti kan sturdy.
Jangan pegang. Bang.
Careful.
Don't touch.
Over here.
Timo mau. Awas, Bang, be careful, Bang. Awas, kepalanya Timo bisa kena tanduk loh. Jangan dekat-dekat. Don't stand so close, Saron.
Apa tajam banget.
Awas ya, Saron. Excuse, awas, Bang.
Awas handphonenya juga.
Kok dia diem sekarang?
Ada apa? Di situ.
Itu babynya tuh.
Bibinya ada di situ, Pak.
Oh, di dalam ya.
You cannot see it because very small. Did you know when we put if my dad put his phone over there and camera, the baby will get it. They make noise. Masih babynya masih di bawah ya? Iya.
Udah, tadi kan udah habis.
Oke, udah, yuk kita sepeda lagi yuk.
Drop ini.
I'm gonna drop this.
Ya. Bapak reindeer makan apa sih, Pak?
Carrots.
Ya, dia kan herbivore, Bang. Herbivore ya.
Ini kok ada pagarnya? Ini ada reindeer di sini, ada reindeer di situ.
But this one is not reindeer actually.
Different kind.
What?
Yuk, let's go yuk. Udah?
Wow.
Jangan.
Udah yuk.
Jangan. Ayo ke rabbit. Tuh.
Pak, kok mana sih foodnya dari mana dia darinya?
Ya dia bawa dari rumah.
Hah? Actually, we speak Indonesia, and I'm in Indonesia world.
Coba ke sana yuk, sana yuk. Let's go.
Guys,
Ayo kakak.
did you know my house is in BSSD? And there is Rusa and Bunny. Long time ago, we cannot see the bunny, but suddenly now we can.
I think
see
that's the house of the bunny.
Where?
There. The houses,
The stick. Oh yeah, we ever
the
come.
hole. You can see the hole, right?
Yeah, guys, my cousin and me, we ever go to the bunny place. We can come inside, but and here we can't come inside though. And I'm
Alright.
very scared.
Alright, so we finished. Let's go back to bicycle riding. Okay?
Meh.
Oh ya, jangan gitu dong. Come on.
Why? I
We
still
have to coming
wanna
back home, right?
Wait.
What else do you want to see here? Kenapa, Alon? Let's go. Ya. Kenapa?
Tadi pas mau di apa beli itu apa satu DR-nya kayak
Let's go.
What is this?
Udah lah, Bang.
Yay.
Let's go, let's go.
Oke, sepedanya masih ada.
Let's go back to bicycle. Ayo, Saron.
Hey. Whoa.
Hmm?
I wanna put
Makan tali.
Jangan makanya, Bang. Bahaya ah. Udah ya, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Abang. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Saron.
Oh yeah, and I forget. I wanna tell you guys, I ever see a dog when we bicycle, a dog that is very furry, that is black. And I don't know that is a dog or a cat, but it's a dog myself. My dad say.
Timo. Alright. Bye.
Bye.
Kita bicycle dulu.
Bye bye.
Wow.